Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Thursday afternoon and I'm in Belmore, right across the street from the Belmore Marina. You can see the boats there. And look! Finally, I haven't had a blizzard in months since before I got sick with the trifecta. So let's go inside and order me a Dairy Queen Butterfinger Blizzard. Down here at the Belmore waterfront, and that is the Shark River. I see a boat out there. Oh, little boat. Anyway, I want to thank you so much for my Dairy Queen gift card. And there's even some money left on it. So thank you so much, sweetheart. I have my small Dairy Queen Butterfinger Blizzard. Oh, and it is so delicious. I'm not going to make y'all watch me eat it because, believe it or not, I lost 5 subscribers over that TGI Fridays mukbang video. They got sick and tired of watching me stuff my mouth. That's okay. Good riddance. Anyway, we're going to go in a minute when I finish my blizzard and see if we can find East Street here in Belmore. That's the street where Bruce Springsteen's backup band was formed, the East Street Band. So we'll go over there and see if we can find it in a minute. Yeah, over there practicing tennis. I could hardly even find a spot to park. There's a guy over there lounging, sunbathing. Anyway, I was reading on the news on my phone about this guy in Florida that was arrested. His girlfriend came home from work and he was drunk, passed out on the floor, I think she said. So she got him up and they went over to a friend's house and he continued to drink, and then on the way home he gave her a wet willy. Y'all, I had to Google it because I couldn't remember what a wet willy was. Oh Lord. So here she is taking up the judge and the court's time because her boyfriend licked his little finger and stuck it in her ear. Boy, you can sure read some asinine things. Okay, I'm going to finish my blizzard and then we'll ride over there in Belmore and see if we can find East Street. East Street. And this is where Bruce Springsteen and the original members of the East Street Band used to come to practice. Let's see if we can find the home. There are some beautiful homes here. Belmore is a gorgeous beachside community. Some beautiful homes here. See the tulips. Anyway, the home where they practiced was lived in by the keyboardist. Danny, what's his name, Danny or David? David Sanchez, I think is his name. And his mother let them practice in the garage of the house at 1105 East Street. And I believe there are still several original members that still play with the band. And this is it right here. It is a gorgeous, there was a garage here, and this is where they practiced. Bruce Springsteen and the East Street Band. I like the red door. Boy, that's a big house. Beautiful. This is a beautiful neighborhood. Oh, I like the wind chimes. Anyway, y'all, I should have gotten a mini blizzard instead of a small. Whew. Just that small blizzard was too much for me. I'm as full as a tick on a cow's back. Okay, I'll be back. Well, I did want to go over the members. I did look it up on Wikipedia while I was eating my blizzard. Let's see. Okay, so the original members were Gary Talent. Is that right? Gary Talent on bass. Vinny Lopez on the drums. Clarence Clemens, saxophone. David Anxious, and that's the house that we were just looking at. He was on keyboards. And Stephen Van Zandt, of course, he's guitar. He still plays with the band. And Danny Federici on keyboards. I don't know if Vinny Lopez, is he the one that is still on drums? I just don't remember. Anyway, you know, they're family. I know when Clarence Clemens died a year or two ago, it was very devastating to Bruce. Anyway, I do hope that I get to see Bruce in concert someday. I would really love to go see him perform, him and John Bon Jovi. And I'm going to go down to Kmart, and I may take y'all in there with me. So that's 1105 East Street, the East Street Band, and I'll be back. I don't know what it is about drawbridges, but they scare me. Anyway, I'm not going to make it to Kmart. I'm just, I'm pooped. I am far, far from regaining my energy and strength, and I don't want to overdo it. I'm just going to go home and edit these videos together and get them posted tonight. And y'all just keep on coming back. Bye, guys.